Ior, inclusive OR, in the Arrow library is a monadic data type that represents the result of an operation, but unlike either, it can contain three different cases: success, right, error, left, and a case related to both. This allows for a more elaborate representation of the results of an operation, where both success and error can be relevant and exist at the same time. The Arrow library provides tools for operating on Ior values, enabling functional programming with these three cases in mind. As an example, let's assume that we want to measure the latency of our client if it is high. For this purpose, we will use Ior to return the latency value in addition to the result. It is worth paying attention to the run-catching method, which returns a result on which we can perform several useful operations. If the client delay does not exceed the specified latency, then we return the value. Otherwise, we return the value and processing latency. The left, right, and both Ior functions allow us to wrap the value into the appropriate Ior. The fold function will allow us to perform the appropriate action for a given result. FA will execute for the left Ior, FB will execute for the right Ior, and FAB will execute for both Ior.